Using PLR articles for blogs or ebooks. In today's digital world, content is king. If you want to create a successful blog or ebook, you need quality content that is both engaging and relevant. Writing your own content can take a significant amount of time, which is why many marketers turn to private label rights, PLR articles. PLR articles are pre-written content that can be purchased from a variety of sources. This content is written by experienced experts and is 100% unique and plagiarism-free. It can be quickly and easily customized to meet your specific needs. Using PLR articles saves you a ton of time. Instead of spending hours researching and writing your content, you can purchase quality articles that are already written for you. You can simply make some minor edits and voila! You have fresh, interesting content that is ready to go. PLR articles are usually organized by topics, making it easy to find what you need. You can also purchase bundles of articles related to the same subject. This allows you to quickly compile content for a blog or ebook. By using PLR articles, you can create quality content for your blog or ebook in just a few clicks. This is a great way for busy entrepreneurs and marketers to quickly get the content they need without sacrificing quality. So, if you're looking for a fast and easy way to create content for your blog or ebook, consider using PLR articles. They're an effective way to get quality content quickly and easily.